here I am unboxing another fun build. I say a bunch of times towards the end of this video, that's a great plane. I don't know how many times I can say it, but anyways, I taken it all out. It came with some really nice parts. Everything was cut very well with the foam, and as you see, I go through this, taking it all apart, and then you're going to see where I'm actually gluing the beginning parts for the fuselage. I didn't use the wheels that came with it. I liked some different stock wheels that you can purchase. Here you can see where I kind of put it all together. I used foam tack, which was great glue, and some CA glue that helped a little bit for the quick. I did airbrush the plane, as you can see here, and then I added a pilot, which didn't come with it, and a tail wheel and a hinge to make it stronger. Here's the first flight.
Did it say only 4 minutes?
Yeah, it's set for 5.
Oh, you got it set for 5?
This is a really well designed kit. It flies so slow.
Yeah.
Imagine we have a bunch of them flying here on build.
That would be really neat.
Okay, I'm going to take it around this way and then I'll land it so you can get a shot.
No problem. Got it. Very good.
All right.
Wow. That was great.
Welcome back to my channel, and I'm out here at the Keller Adult Senior Activity Center, and I've got the Aeronkish, hope I'm saying this right, and I flew the maiden flight in here, and this thing flies great. Super slow. You'll see in the video as I'm flying this. Awesome build. Great kit to get if you're looking to get this. I'll put the link down below to show you where you can purchase this plane. Great plane. We're also going to have like a little build class of several of us building this. So look forward to doing that with everybody. But this is a great plane, and just wanted to show you this. Take care.